2 copies of everything, so you can keep one and send one. So that's
Pension.
pension. Here's my DD 214.
Is this the same, sir, or just the 2 copies? Okay.
This was an email
A
that,
2 copy. Okay, sir. This one.
okay, that's a DD 214. FBI criminal record.
Okay, sir. How long you served in here? 1 year.
Now this you don't need, I don't think. This is my honorable discharge record. I can keep that unless you need it.
Okay lang po yan. Hindi yan makaka-apekto sa process ng
Hindi naman okay naman po. Kasi actually, ma'am, the most date that we need to secure is that his FBI bonus background check because the validity of this is only 6 months. So before it expires, they need to submit all his applications.
Passport.
Yes. Bas. Bigyan validity isang content ko na yan.
And you didn't ask for it, but I brought birth certificate if you need it.
No, sir.
Don't need. What's missing?
Nothing, sir.
That's everything.
Yes, you bring all the documents that we need.
Good.
So perfect. So now we can start. I will discuss again the quotations for your retirement visa. So you are qualified for the SRRB e-courtesy
Yes.
for the SRRB. So you need to do the visa deposit, which is amounting 1,500 USD, which is you do already.
I
We
did.
only need the proof of wire transfer, so we can help you verify that in the PRE main office. If ever they receive that or you already have a
I
bank.
never received the
Um,
actual letter from my bank.
Okay. But you can do that later, sir. And aside from that, for the visa deposit,
See if I can get to the email from,
from your bank in the US. But do you already have, sir, what do you call this?
they did send yes.
The transaction receipt, like that. Currently, sir, where are you staying?
I'm
Where is
not
the-
sure
Sure,
that-
resident.
Sure, resident. Okay, mas malapit lang po.
Naglakad lang ako.
Oo, walking distance lang. Up until when kayo mag-stay mo?
Samban.
Ayun, goods po. Kasi ang processing time ko kasi, prepare po NBI namin. So, NBI clearance, tapos may medical pa mga. So, kailangan bigyan nyo lang kami ng at least 2 weeks to finish everything.
I'm
Tapos
sorry, I
first-
never introduced you. This is Gentleman Salvador.
Okay.
Then, he is go to personally to the NBI.
No, ma'am. We will assist you po.
Okay.
NBI, medical, and
Oh,
even sa
wow.
interview po sa PRE. We will assist always.
All.
You do visit the government office, we will assist you.
I can't find it,
It's okay, sir. You can put it
Later.
but they do have it.
Okay,
I
sir.
did send it.
Do you have a transactions, sir?
That's what I'm looking for. And I have an email somewhere from Paul. Paul. There it is, Tall Man Primary.
Cannot see the email. It's okay later after she is finished to explain this. And then, yeah. You not go to personally to the NBI and the, wait, how the, I asked for the medical. kahit po sa medical niya, hindi siya personal na pupunta doon.
Pupunta pa din siya ma'am, pero i-assist po namin. Kasi kailangan siya magpupunta siya ng
Kaya
dugo,
nga.
tapos x-ray,
Ah,
gano'n.
ah.
Okay, my agent at my bank, this is his email.
Okay, sir. Do you receive a transactions receipt?
He said he was gonna send it, he did not send it. So this is his,
But I think
Email.
we can email him, sir, because they also have a data privacy, so we can ask for that. Unless you will be the one to ask for the proof of transactions.
okay, you want me to try to email him?
Yes,
Okay.
because they for sure will not email us back.
Okay, now I have to figure out how to send an email to him.
But you not see the email sent to you? You not receive? Maybe in the spam. Spam message.
See, I have his email address. How do I make it send? How do I record one?
Mm. You type RRC.
This might be it. No, that's the instructions. Maybe it's starred. Wait a minute, that's where I might have it.
Yeah.
Starred. United. So what I need to do is compose a new letter.
The transfer.
Yeah.
Oh, your bag. Here in my bag. Do you have pen?
I give you my blue pen.
Yeah. In my bag.
Thank you. Oh, man. so now I compose. To that PIME. Subject is verification of minimum transfer. What do I call it? Development Bank, DBP, Development Bank. Is that what I said? DBP, Development Bank of Philippines?
Yeah, there.
Yeah?
Yeah, I read there. But the later she has explained how to transfer the payment.
And
Yeah. Later,
E,
huh?
my email over here. Now, I want, looks like I'm to the, I have, and I don't think that I can look at my email without having an internet connection. I'll go home and I want to look at my Gmail. And I want to look at stored.
Based on our experience,
Right there. Update. DBP. At JRC. C.com. What time is it now?
It's wait, my phone. 10:42.
So at home it's 9 p.m. He's not in his bank.
Bank. It's open already. Later.
My bank,
Your bank.
9 o'clock p.m.
PM. Later.
It's closed.
PM. PM.
p.m. is closed.
PM evening. Evening. PM. AM. It's AM.
Here today.
Ah,
what
in
time?
yeah, in the US.
In U.S.
Yeah,
10
it's
p.m.
close. Yeah. So we say to mom, to Miss, and she is can transact on the Gmail and that send your proof you already paid. That it's screenshot.
What time now?
10:42, 10:40, 43.
Yes, ma'am. Okay na po.
I have one big problem.
What is, sir?
13-hour time difference.
Okay, so you can wait for that, sir. You don't need to give that school.
Okay, I'm sending him an email and I'm asking that he verify the money transfer to DBP.
Yes. You can just have this gentle follow-up. Give you the copy.
So I am in the office now. This is what I'm telling you. I'm in the office of GRC Immigration in Manila at 10:43 a.m. My agent asked for the transaction history. She
Yes.
would like for you to email a copy to her at your email so she can find record of the transaction. So thank you for right now at home. It's 9 p.m.
Yes. It's alright, sir, because we did not need that unless we are done everything for your medical. So there's a lot of time that we can need for.
Okay. So I'm gonna send this and he will not be able to today's Friday. It's still Thursday there.
So because there's a
So
week.
he'll come to the office and he'll see my email.
Babayot na kasi siya.
Opo. Kasi
Okay,
bago
send.
siya actually dumating dito, sabi niya na rin sa na-mention niya na he's already done for the visa deposit. And which is good, ma'am, kasi minsan po kasi may mga bank po na ayaw po nilang i-process kapag andito si client. So gusto nila, doon talaga mismo. Kaya na-advise namin lahat ng applicant namin sa retirement visa na doon na nila gawin habang nasa US pa sila, o nasa country pa sila, doon muna tapusin yung visa deposit. Kasi the verifications, it will take 20 to 30 working days.
That's what I understand. Okay, so that is all I can do for you right now.
Yes, sir. But aside from the major requirements, you already did with us. So there's nothing to worry.
It has been sent. There's no way for you to find it without him sending you that letter.
No, so we can start now, sir, the signing.
The
Later.
We can do that later, sir.
Development Bank of Philippines, DBP, is where the money was sent.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, we'll just discuss again the retirement visa. You're qualified for the expanded EOTC, which is you need to do the visa deposit, the 1,500, which you already
That's been done.
Okay, sir, and also submitted the details to 1/4, the pension, like that. So we will proceed now. Aside from the visa deposit, sir, there's also a government cost, which is the 1,400 for the processing of your retirement visa. This is a government, and also you need to pay the 10,000 USD for your SRRB ID.
$10,
Yes, correct.
not 10,000.
No, yes, the $10 for the ID of the SRRB.
Yes.
Yes, and also the
Yes,
JRC
600.
service fee, the 600 USD for your retirement visa. The inclusion of this is the FBI clearance, the medical, and as well the notarial fee and the processing of your.
Right, and then there's another, the verification process.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
For all the assistance.
Okay,
So that's all, sir. So how do you want to pay this one, sir? You can pay this to sir cash or bank transfer. And also this one, we can pay this government fee in your behalf. And once we receive the payment, we will give you the receipt from the PRA main office.
okay, all of this requires a bank transfer also?
You can do bank transfer, sir. You can do bank transfer or either what do you call this? The PayPal, the Wise, that's a payment option. Or cash, that's what you can
Okay,
accept.
in cash, I have 50,000 peso, right,
Yes.
in my hotel room. I meant to bring it, I did not bring it. So 50,000 is about $1,200. That's what I have in cash.
Okay, sir. And after that, sir, you can please also sign this one. This is our service contract. I also send this actually this contract.
You're gonna have to speak slowly
Okay, sir.
because
I'm sorry, sir. I'm
just
sorry.
your accent, I have a hard time picking up everything.
Okay, sir. This one, our service contract, the JR service contract that you are engaging with us for your SRRB.
Yes.
You can just first read it, and once you're done and you don't have any question, you can sign here inside the box.
Mhm.
And this is a 3-page, sir,
And it
for the service contract. This one. And also, this is the confidentiality statement
Mhm.
stating that we will not share all your information unless you allow us to do so.
Okay.
So this one, the data privacy. You can first read it first and then sign here. Two documents.
Okay.
This one, sir.
Good,
And
there.
this one is the personal information. Kindly fill this out, and also don't forget your Philippine address and then abroad, because in the Philippine address, this is the address that will appear in your retirement visa ID. So,
Okay, I'm just staying in a hotel.
It's all right, sir.
It's okay.
Yeah, I'm in a condo, so we're renting for 1 month.
Because once the SRRB ID expired, because your although your SRRB visa is indefinite, is for lifetime, your IDs will be expired every year. So
Okay,
you need to renew that
I'll
ID
update
every
my address
So you can
again.
update the address
Good,
once you do
okay,
the
I
renewal.
understand.
And then please kindly put here your mobile number. And much better if that mobile number that you will give to us is registered in Viber or WhatsApp. And your email. And that's all, sir.
Okay,
I will be back, sir, ha?
okay. How much is 10,000 pesos?
I calculate. It's okay. They are waiting to your trust, not trust.